Hello, this will be a walkthrough of our health-related fitness plan, which is a final project for our skills and knowledge topic. I'm at modules here and I'm going to go down to Unit 4, designing a fitness program, and then to Lesson 3, designing a health-related fitness plan for skills and knowledge. The first thing to keep in mind for this assignment is that you will want to show the knowledge and any prior experience or prior knowledge that you have from this course or from your daily life while completing this assignment. This assignment will bring together information you've learned on the SMART goal, the FIT plan, and then basic information about the fitness components, heart rate, and MVPA. You can see here the student will interview another person to identify areas of strength and growth, create a SMART goal to help another enhance their physical health, create a FIT plan to reach that SMART goal, and then describe the importance of each FIT principle and reflect on modification options. Again, this is just going to be a short intro, so I'm going to go over the most important things, but in your checklist, you're going to complete a personal training questionnaire with a friend or family member to help them enhance their physical health. You can pretend that you are their physical trainer or you are their educator and you have information from this class that could help them enhance their physical health. Then complete a SMART goal for that friend or family member based on what they would like to achieve. And then complete a FIT plan using the FIT principle and answer the reflection questions. This is all important stuff that you should make sure you remember to read. And then I'm going to open this just to show you what it looks like. So here's your personal fitness development questionnaire. These are the questions that you're going to ask your friend or family member. At the top, this is going to be your participant's name. So their first name, last name, age, gender. That is the person that you are interviewing. Most commonly interviewed are a mother, a sibling, an aunt and uncle, a best friend, a father, anybody in your family or friend group that you would like to question. So they're going to fill out the questionnaire, or you're going to ask them to fill out the questionnaire and help them fill it out, and just get an idea of what activities they enjoy and what it is that keeps them from achieving fitness goals or what it is that motivates them. And then this is going to look very similar to your SMART goal you created earlier in the term. A couple things to remember: make sure you write your goal at the top in this box where it says write your goal here. And that part is important, so when you start to explain how it meets the qualifications to be a SMART goal, I can see what the goal originally is. Then, just like the SMART goal assignment, you're going to go through and fill in each box. Another tip is if you're telling yourself, no, this isn't specific, or no, it's not measurable, make sure you go up and change your goal so you can answer yes to these questions. Then you're going to see another familiar sheet, which is a FIT plan. So here, you're going to copy down their SMART goal from above, and then create a plan based on your knowledge that is able to help them reach their final SMART goal. So frequency, intensity, time, and type. And a couple tips when you're here: think about the components of fitness that we've learned: cardiovascular, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility. How can you interact all of those components to create their FIT plan? What have you learned about intensity, moderate to vigorous physical activity, heart rate? How do those things determine the difficulty of your workout? Time. In the FIT quiz, you read about how much of each activity would be helpful to do, or each component would be helpful to do. So take in consideration that information that you have learned when filling out the FIT plan. The last page of your final project is going to be some reflection questions about creating this health-related fitness plan. And you can see here question 3, how can you increase and decrease the difficulty That kind of goes back to that MVPA assignment where you had to compare and contrast two exercises. Like, how can you make it more difficult? How can you make it less difficult for your patient, or for your patient. At the bottom of the health related fitness plan assignment, there's going to be some helpful tips. So these are going to be important for you to read before you start. So when creating your SMART goal, which is the second page, here are a couple tips that you should read and keep in mind. And then creating your FIT plan, here are a couple tips to keep in mind while creating your FIT plan. Then at the bottom, it says, congratulations on completing a SMART goal and FIT plan that will enhance the healthy lifestyle of someone you know. Please be sure to save your completed document before submitting. So good luck. I love to see all of your creative ideas. Try to be creative, try to have fun with this, and try to make it realistic so the person that you're helping can actually use this in real life to hopefully meet their goals.